Hello students. Welcome to Knowledge Spectra Entry Test Series. You are watching part number 27. Links of all other parts are available in description. Must watch for 100% success. Also like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates. 1. Which of the following is not included as the scope of environmental chemistry? A. Transportation of toxic chemicals. B. Sources of chemicals. C. Growing of crops. D. Transportation of chemicals. Correct answer is C. Growing of crops. 2. The process in which used plastics are converted into low-quality substances which later used for the production of other useful materials. A. Depolymerization. B. Reprocessing. C. Incineration. D. Transformation. Correct answer is D. Transformation. 3. Which of the following is not a secondary pollutant? A. Ozone. B. Carbonic acid. C. Sulfuric acid. D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is A. Ozone. 4. Residence time of methane in the atmosphere is A. 3 to 7 days. B. 2 to 3 days. C. 3 to 7 years. D. 2 to 3 years. Correct answer is C. 3 to 7 years. 5. Major cause of SO2 on global scale is A. Volcanoes. B. Electric sparks. C. Combustion. D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Volcanoes. 6. Hypochlorous acid is used for disinfecting the water. It reacts with the dissolved ammonia producing A. NH2Cl. B. NHCl2. C. NCl3. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. 7. Acid present in acid rain may be A. H2SO4. B. HNO3. C. Both A and B. D. HClO4. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. 8. Chemical oxygen demand (COD) is measured by reacting water with A. Chromate ion. B. Sulfate ion. C. Permanganate ion. D. Dichromate ion. Correct answer is D. Dichromate ion. 9. Which one of the following factors is not used to determine the quality of water? A. Available chlorine. B. Chemical oxygen demand. C. Biochemical oxygen demand. D. Dissolved oxygen. Correct answer is A. Available chlorine. 10. Leachate contains which of the following? A. Fatty acids. B. Bacteria. C. Heavy metals. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. 11. How we remove materials suspended in water? A. Standard treatments. B. Chlorination by bleaching powder. C. Coagulation. D. Aeration. Correct answer is C. Coagulation. 12. Which gases are produced in leachate? A. CH4. B. NH3. C. H2S. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. 13. Those chemicals which are used to kill insects are A. Fungicides. B. Herbicides. C. Pesticide. D. Insecticides. Correct answer is D. Insecticides. 14. Which is the thickness of our atmosphere? A. 200 kilometers. B. 300 kilometers. C. 2000 kilometers. D. 1000 kilometers. Correct answer is D. 1000 kilometers. 15. What we call the rigid rocky crust earth up to a depth of 100 kilometers? A. Magma. B. Hydrosphere. C. Lithosphere. D. Troposphere. Correct answer is C. Lithosphere. 16. Which component of environment is not necessary for sustaining life on Earth? A. O2 for breathing. B. CO2 for photosynthesis. C. N2 for fixation. D. SO2 for aerosols. Correct answer is D. SO2 for aerosols. 17. Temperature of Earth is maintained by which of following sphere? A. Biosphere. B. Hydrosphere. C. Atmosphere. D. Lithosphere. Correct answer is C. Atmosphere. 18. Acidification of soil can leach which one of the metals? A. Magnesium. B. Aluminium. C. Calcium. D. Potassium. Correct answer is B. Aluminium. 19. Which one is most toxic? A. CO2. B. SO2. C. NO2. D. CO. Correct answer is D. CO20. What is percentage of sulphur in coal? A. 2 to 5%. B. 1 to 9%. C. 3 to 10%. D. 1 to 12%. Correct answer is B. 1 to 9%. 21. Which one is not the property of CO? A. Help in photosynthesis. B. Lighter than air. C. Water soluble. D. Highly toxic. Correct answer is A. Help in photosynthesis. 22. Peroxy acetyl nitrate (PAN) is an irritant to human beings and it affects A. Stomach. B. Nose. C. Ears. D. Eyes. Correct answer is D. Eyes. 23. Which duration is for depletion of ozone more prominent? A. February to March. B. November to Dec. C. June to August. D. September to November. Correct answer is D. September to November. 24th. What is the unit of ozone? A. AMU. B. MC. C. Dobson. D. dBi. Correct answer is C. Dobson. 25. Ozone is present in which layer of atmosphere? A. Troposphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Thermosphere. D. Stratosphere. Correct answer is D. Stratosphere. 26. Which does not cause toxicity to human being? A. Leather tannery. B. Industrial waste effluents. C. Pesticide. D. Fumes of boiling water. Correct answer is D. Fumes of boiling water. 27. Which of the following disease is due to injection of heavy metals by human being? A. Anemia. B. Kidney disease. C. Nervous disorder. D. All of these effect. Correct answer is A. Anemia. 28. Biochemical oxygen demand (BOD) is the oxygen demand within how many days? A. 1. B. 3. C. 10. D. 5. Correct answer is D. 5. 29. Chlorination of water may be harmful if the water contains A. Ammonia. B. Dissolved oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Ammonia. 30. Which one of the following makes the bulk of hydrosphere's content? A. Oceans. B. Glaciers and ice caps. C. Freshwater lakes and ponds. D. All have equal distribution. Correct answer is A. Oceans. 31. Which of the following is used as water disinfectant to avoid the formation of toxic compounds? A. Cl2. B. O2. C. ClO2. D. Both B and C. Correct answer is D. Both B and C. 32. The percentage of suspended solid waste in raw water is removed by coagulation is A. 60. B. 70. C. 80. D. 90. Correct answer is C. 80. 33. Ozone hole. A substantial depletion of ozone in every year during A. August to November. B. September to November. C. November to Dec. D. Dec to Jan. Correct answer is B. September to November. 34. The main product of bacterial action is A. N2O5, B. NO2, C. N2O3, D. NO. Correct answer is D. NO. 35. Pollutants have adverse effect over A. Biosphere, B. Ecosystem, C. Both A and B, D. Hydrosphere. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. 36. The main pollutant of leather industries in the wastewater is due to the salt of A. Lead, B. Copper, C. Chromium, D. Chromium 3. Correct answer is C. Chromium. 37. Which statement is wrong? A. The amount of ozone layer is greater in the region close to the equator. B. Ozone acts as filter for UV radiations. C. In the equatorial region, it acts as pollutant. D. CFCs play effective role in removing O3 in the stratosphere. Correct answer is A. The amount of ozone layer is greater in the region close to the equator. 38. Which of the following factors help to measure quality of water? A. Oxygen demand OD. B. Biochemical oxygen demand BOD. C. Chemical oxygen demand COD. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. 39. In the purification of potable water, the coagulant used is A. Alum, B. Nickel sulfate, C. Copper sulfate, D. Barium sulfate. Correct answer is A. Alum. 40. Newspaper can be recycled again and again how many times? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Correct answer is D. 5. 41. The main pollutant of leather tanneries in the wastewater is A. Chromium 3, B. Chromium 4, C. Chromium 5, D. Chromium 6. Correct answer is D. Chromium 6. 42. A single chlorine-free radical can destroy how many ozone molecules? A. 10, B. 100, C. 10,000, D. 100,000. Correct answer is D. 100,000. 43. Which substance can be used for disinfecting water? A. KMNO4, B. Alums, C. Ozone, D. All of these. Correct answer is C. Ozone. 44. The yellow color in photochemical smog is due to presence of A. Dinitrogen oxide, B. Nitrogen dioxide, C. Chlorine gas, D. Chlorine dioxide. Correct answer is B. Nitrogen dioxide. 45. Which of the following is not a condition for the formation of smog? A. Sufficient NOB, sunlight, C. Less movement of air, D. Winds. Correct answer is D. Winds. 46. Incineration of municipal waste is carried out in the temperature range of A. 250 to 500 degrees Celsius, B. 500 to 900 degrees Celsius, C. 950 to 1300 degrees Celsius, D. 900 to 1000 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is D. 900 to 1000 degrees Celsius. 47. In which of the following layer of atmosphere, there is more thickness of ozone layer? A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Photosphere. Correct answer is B. Stratosphere. 48. Which of the following is not primary pollutant? A. SO3, B. CO, C. NO, D. H2SO4. Correct answer is D. H2SO4. 49. Which of the following air pollutants is more dangerous for ozone layer? A. CFC, B. CO2, C. CO, D. Oxides of nitrogen. Correct answer is A. CFC. 50. pH of unpolluted acid rain is due to A. CO, B. NO2, C. CO2, D. SO3. Correct answer is C. CO2. Hope you learned from this video. Click on top right corner of screen on ECAT for playlist of Knowledge Spectra entry test series. Best of luck.